Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about stop words or specifically removing stop words. If you remember, in the previous video, we tokenized some text into sentences and also into words. In this one, we will carry on by removing stop words from the text. But what are stop words exactly and why should we remove them? Well, to make it easy and simple, stop words are those words in natural language that have very little meaning, that does not add much meaning to sentence. So they can safely be ignored without sacrificing the meaning of the sentence. For example, the words like now, down, because, the, is, between, and so on. Because these words does not add much meaning to the sentence. Hence, uh, filtering out these common words before processing the natural text will really make sense. Removing stop words is part of data pre-processing. Stop words are language specific also. So stop words for French language is not same for Arabic, Spanish, French or Turkish. So now the question is, what is going to happen if I don't remove the stop words? Leaving the stop words in our text will take processing time, but worse than that, a stop word can appear as a dominant or frequent word in a set of data that we are analyzing. Thus, results wouldn't be correct. So, let's see how it all works and how we can remove stop words using NLTK and other packages like Gensim and Spacy. What is NLTK? NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit. It is very powerful and popular package for natural language processing. Now, let us check what are the stop words that are available in NLTK package. So the NLTK we have something called corpus. In the corpus, from the corpus we are importing the stop words. So now I extracted all the English language related stop words and assigned it a variable called stops. Now we just would like to know, now let us see what all the stop words are available for English. These are the predefined stop words. Okay, these are the predefined stop words in NLTK package. We can see the predefined values like have, has, the, and, but, up, down. These are called stop words. Like English, does it supports or does it have the stop words for any other languages? Yes. Which all languages it supports for the stop words? If you query this one, stopwords.fileIDs, almost for the 21 languages it has the stop words, the NLTK package. And if you are using a Windows, we can use this by executing the right, by querying this directory you can find out the languages supported in NLTK. Next, I defined a list called words. In this list, all the elements are strings here. I just execute this one, and first and foremost I want to check how many number of elements are there in this list. 17 elements are there. Our objective is we need to remove the stop words from this list. Before removing the stop words, which is nothing but before cleaning the stop words, how many number of elements are there in the list? 17 are there. And apart from this, I have a method called counter that is available as part of a package called collections. Using counter, I check the number of occurrence of each and every element of my list. It shows the do not as only one time. It appears only one time in the list, whereas hesitate and do appears 2 times, and so on. Next, what we will do is we will eliminate the stop words from this list. So already we stored the common words or the stop words we stored all the English language stop words in a variable called stops. We use in this case we use a list comprehension. While we extract the values of each and every element of the list word, we make sure that we are not we are excluding, we are making sure that we are excluding the stop words, because the stops has all the stop words, the common words like but, and, the, where, all the values are stored in this variable called stops. While you extract each and every value or each and every element from the list words, using the if condition, we are discarding the stop words. So the CL words list has the cleaned text in it, which means it doesn't have the stop words in it. So now after removing the stop words, let us check how many number of elements are there in my list. Only 10. Before that we had 17. Now we just have 10 words are there after removing the stop words in my list. Next we have GenSim library. Using GenSim library also we can remove stop words. Here in this case I am using a variable called text. So in the text we stored this value. So we know the stop words like to, how, he is not, to, off. These are the stop words. Let us execute this one. So in the case of GenSim package, here I used the word tokenize. As we discussed in the previous video, we extract words from the given sentence using word tokenize. So the extracted words from this sentence are stored in a variable called text underscore tokens using a list comprehension. While fetching each and every word from the text tokens, we make sure that we are removing the stop words using if condition. If you look at the output printed here, Nick likes play football, not fond tennis. He is not off to. These are stop words. You must be wondering why however was removed, because the GenSim package considered however as also a stop word. However is also part of the stop words of GenSim. So you need to remember. So now we will see what are all the words are considered as a stop word in GenSim. Using all, if you print the output of all stop words, you can find you can get to see the stop words, the predefined stop words by GenSim package. So now the question is there any way I can include however as part of my output? Yes, you can do it. How you can do it? You can include, or you can exclude, or you can remove the however from the stop words list, the default stop word list of GenSim package. You need to remove this one, but you cannot remove it directly. Indirectly we can do it. So before we see that, we will look at a method called remove stop words. Instead of doing it the indirect way, there is a method that is available as part of GenSim package. All you need to do is you just pass the text to this method as an argument. It filters out all the stop words automatically. Peter likes play, but in this case we can notice very clearly the GenSim package considered however word as a stop word. Okay, the next one is how to add a stop word to default GenSim stop word list. Is it possible? Let's say I want to add new stop words to the default GenSim. Yes, we can do that. Stop words dot union. Indirectly we can do that. So in this case, stop words dot union. Right here I defined a set which has my new stop words. By combining the default stop words with the newly defined set values here, we can include the new stop words. So the this one as the default stop words. In addition to that, we combine these two new stop words also and assign to this variable. Now what you do is, as usual, we can use the list comprehension by selecting each and every word from the text tokens. Using if condition, we are excluding the stop words. This is how you can you can include new stop words indirectly, and also you can exclude the this is another way of including new stop word. This is excluding this or the difference. Here we have used the difference. Using difference, what we do is we smartly exclude, right? We can exclude the however from the default stop words. This variable will have all the stop words except however, because GenSim has however as a stop word, right? Using difference function, we can exclude the however. See, this is kind of a minus b. In the case of set, we use a minus b. When you do a minus b, what will happen? See, the however will be excluded indirectly. So now using list comprehension, we fetch each and every word from the text tokens, and using this condition we are removing the we are excluding the stop words. Look here, see, however is considered as a word, right? It is not a stop word. So in this case we have excluded, right? We have excluded the however stop word from the stop words indirectly. Similarly, we have another package called Spacy that is available in Python. Spacy is also one of the popular natural language processing related package. It is very powerful package. Using Spacy also we can remove the stop words. The same technique we use it here also. Even in this case, in the case of Spacy, all you need to know is the package name and the method name, right? So here what we are doing, we imported the Spacy, and the next what I did here, I loaded the English language related module, and then assigned a variable sp.defaults.stopword. This is the one returns all the stop words that are supported by Spacy, the predefined stop words that are available in Spacy. So this one I assign to a variable. Once you assign this to a variable, it is same as the other packages. So use a list comprehension and split the text into words or the sentences into words, and take each and every word and compare with the stop word. If that is not same as the stop word, then we are outputting the value. And next one is how to add and remove the stop words in Spacy default stop word list. You can use add function, using which you can include a new stop word. In this case, I included tennis as a new stop word. Hence, you don't see when you see the output, the tennis is removed by default, right? So we are excluded. And if I want to include more than one stop word, you can use like this, likes and tennis, comma. You can use a set, but make sure that at the end of this one you are specifying comma here. And again, using the list comprehension, we take each and every word from the text token and we check if that word is not same as the stop word. This is how we are excluding the stop words. And now the question is, can I remove the default stop word from the Spacy stop word list? Yes, it is possible indirectly. Okay. So the same thing here, what we are doing is we have something to remove. add and remove. So this variable we are storing all the default stop words, and then this variable dot the string name dot remove two I want to remove the two stop word. So when this one is holding all the default stop words except two, and same process, use the list comprehension for each and every word. Check if that is same as the stop word. If it is not, output the value. In this case, 2 is not considered as the stop word. So this is how we can add and remove the stop words from spaCy as well as Gensim. But Gensim considered the however as a stop word, whereas other two packages like NLTK and spaCy did not consider however as a stop word. You need to be a bit cautious. For that, you can check the stop words supported by what the predefined stop words, whichever stop words that are available. You need to check it out. So instead of using the packages, what we can do is you can write your custom script to remove the stop words. List out all the stop words. So in this case, I listed out all the stop words in a list by the name of m_stop words, and I created a function. Here we split each and every element of the list, and then by fetching each and every element, we are cross-checking with the list. If the element of the list is not same as, if the element of my text is not same as the stop word, then output the value. So that is what we are doing. So this is the one is combining all the concatenating the string, the join, right? So that's what it does. So when we execute this one, we can see this all the stop words that were declared here in our list got removed from your text. We can use, this is how we can use a custom script or custom function. You can eliminate the stop words. Hope this session helped you to understand how to remove stop words. In the subsequent video, we'll discuss about what is part of speech tagging and how to implement them.